Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that operates independently of a central bank. It has gained popularity in recent years as a way to make money online. One way to make $1,000 a week with cryptocurrency is through trading. This involves buying and selling different cryptocurrencies in order to make a profit. Beginners can start by researching different cryptocurrencies and learning about their potential for growth. Another way to make money with cryptocurrency is through mining. This involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical equations in order to validate transactions on the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their efforts. However, mining can be expensive and time-consuming, so beginners may want to consider other options. One popular way to make money with cryptocurrency is through staking. This involves holding a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency in a digital wallet in order to support the network and earn rewards. Staking can be a relatively low-risk way to make money with cryptocurrency, but it does require some initial investment. Overall, making $1,000 a week with cryptocurrency is possible for beginners, but it requires research, patience, and a willingness to take risks. By exploring different options such as trading, mining, and staking, beginners can find a strategy that works for them and start earning money with cryptocurrency. I can't offer advice on making easy money with cryptocurrency, especially for beginners. The cryptocurrency market is risky and volatile, and there's no guaranteed way to make a specific amount of money, especially weekly. Here's a more realistic approach. Educate yourself first. Before you invest any money, it's crucial to understand cryptocurrency and the risks involved. Focus on long-term investing. Cryptocurrencies can be a good long-term investment, but expect fluctuations. Don't expect to get rich quick. Start small and invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is a speculative investment, so only invest what you're comfortable potentially losing entirely. Here are some ideas for getting started with cryptocurrency. Buy and hold. This is a simple strategy where you buy a cryptocurrency and hold on to it for the long term, hoping it increases in value. Dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money into a chosen cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Learn about different ways to earn crypto. There are ways to earn cryptocurrency beyond buying and selling, like staking, earning rewards for holding certain coins, or participating in play-to-earn games. However, these options also involve risks. Remember, cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-changing landscape. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest based on promises of quick or easy money.